Hey, hi there, Manish here. So I saw that you're looking for someone who can assist you with WooCommerce automation capabilities. So yes, there are a couple of ways we can do WooCommerce automations. First, there are inbuilt triggers and automation available inside WooCommerce. We can create workflows. Second, we can use platform like Make or Zapier, which uses no-code, low-code functionalities. So we can just build any of our workflow, and the WooCommerce can be connected with wide range of different business apps. The third one is we can directly work with WooCommerce APIs. So it has well-structured API documentation. Now, I'm quickly going to walk you through how we can do WooCommerce automation using Make or directly working with their APIs. So this platform is called Make.com. It's an open canvas, and here we can define any sort of automation workflow. So it has more than 2000 different business apps available. And right here, we can go for WooCommerce. So here WooCommerce has multiple triggers. So it can start, the workflow can start from any new event, coupons, customers, order or product created or updated. And then almost all other apps like coupon, customer, orders, and everything. So I created a wide range of scenarios using make.com. Quickly showcase you. Let's say one of these really basic. When the order is coming in, we can watch the order and then we can go for send out an email and also send in Slack message. Secondly, these kind of small automation where the order is coming in, we can get order update into a Google Sheet line. Or even these kind of automations where the orders are getting directly updated into monday.com, and finally inventory boards are also getting updated inside Monday, or something like even little more complex. This is one of the automation I have done for e-commerce and the education company. So they wanted to run through all the WooCommerce orders and automatically give the subscriber access to their respective courses using Learnworld. Now, apart from this, there are a couple of other scenarios also built. So in this case, the entire scenario starts from the Dropbox, and whenever there is a new file added in Dropbox, it is searching for an order and sending out an email using Outlook. As well as over here you can see there's a platform called intolerancelab.uk. So here also we have to upload this entire WooCommerce order and the Dropbox file. So yeah, almost any type of integrations, be it BigCommerce, WooCommerce, or WooCommerce directly integrating with CRM called Bittrex. So searching customer, if found, they can create a deal. If not, then it can directly go ahead and create a customer, create a company, and then create a deal as well. Now, similar to Make, there is another platform available called Zapier, and here also I worked extensively, so we can use any of these triggers on Zapier as well. So the scenario can start from any of these triggers. And again, we have a wide range of different modules available as well. And at last, in case if you wanted to directly work with WooCommerce API, so WooCommerce has a wide range of good API structure documentation available. So you can see here it is starting from coupons. So we can create a coupon, update, retrieve, list all. Same thing with customers, orders. So almost any sort of even refund, shipping, reports, everything can be done around WooCommerce using the direct API based integration. So these APIs can work with Python code, JavaScript, or in case if you wanted to work with within make.com or Zapier, then we have something called make API request here. Or in this case, let me just showcase you WooCommerce. And over here at the bottom, we have make an API call. So we can directly work with WooCommerce APIs, either of them as per the requirement of your automation. So let me know if this excites you, and I'm more than happy to contribute my skills to you. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.